Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born in a Gujarati family on October 31st, 1875. After his schooling, he saved money to go to England for higher studies. He studied law there and returned to India as a barrister. He participated in the freedom struggle, being influenced by Gandhiji's speeches. His role in Bardoli Satyagraha was notable. His brother Vital Bhai Patel was also a freedom fighter. Gandhiji had a great impact on Patel. His excellent work impact on Patel. His excellent work in every field made him famous throughout Gujarat. Vallabhbhai Patel had great sympathy with the peasants of India. He was the hero of the Bardoli Satyagraha. The poor people of Bardoli could not bear the 30% increase in taxes. Patel launched his Satyagraha for their cause. It won him the title of Sardar from Gandhiji. He was elected the president of the Congress party in 1931. He was very deeply involved in the freedom movement. He was jailed for 3 years in 1942 for being a leader of the Quit India movement. By his talkativeness, he got a recognition from his friends and was praised by so many friends. He was one of the most selfless men. He was a strict, disciplined man and hence he was called on Iron Man of India. He often emphasized in his speeches that India was one and indivisible. After India won freedom, he became the Deputy Prime Minister and succeeded. In spite of illness and imprisonment, he struggled hard to achieve his goal. He spent 30 years to serve our nation. It was a huge service to the nation, the first major articulation of the intention to rebuild the Runi temple in believed to have been made by Sardar Patel. Nehru, Deputy Prime Minister, at a huge public meeting in Junagadh on November 12, 1947. He died in 1950 due to illness. Standing at 597 feet or 182 meters above ground level, the Statue of Unity is built as a symbol of Indians' engineering and technical capabilities. The total cost of the project was estimated to be about 2063 crores. It was designed by Indian sculptor Ram V. Sattar and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018, the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth anniversary. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like it. Thanks for watching.